Good afternoon. I'm in my old neighborhood, the one that I grew up in. I'm doing my oil change that is waiting. But, hi, I'm Lydia. I'm a family caregiver. I do this for a living, but also it's 24 hours a day. And I don't get paid that much by our wonderful government. Anyway, a friend a couple weeks ago mentioned that they were drinking this coffee, and I was like, what? That's a coffee shop in my old neighborhood. I remember trying to apply for a job there. So I'm walking there because I want to see my friend. It's funny, so many of these businesses, I'm like, you cheated me. I just walked by this other pet store that was so expensive. It feels good that I found replacements. I did the oil change. Well, this is disappointing at the doctor's office, and they're closed, and it says that they close at 5. We're finally eating. Looking good, y'all. But it's $20 a plate and a $5 lemonade. But let's eat finally. I did the 2 mini games and then I rested. And how is it 10:45 all of a sudden? But Dad's already sleeping. I'm walking the dog. He is so excited because he just saw a skunk. Kind of made me want to post the skunk, but he is doing his skunky business somewhere. I don't see him anywhere. Probably a good thing, Balu. You don't want to be stinky.